In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Alarm section at the top on the left. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom to create your own. Set up an hour. And if you want to, click on this switcher next to the light after it goes off to turn it on or off. You can also tap on repeat and select one of those options. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you wish to choose custom, click on it and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. When you finished, choose OK. Now click on ringtone. Over here you can set up one of those melodies like fireflies, or click on all ringtones and decide if you wish to pick music from your smartphone by tapping on local ringtone or pre-installed one. If you wish to set up local, click on it, choose allow, and click on one of those sources, like Music app. Then click on the song that you wish to apply and tap on OK at the top right corner. If you wish to use pre-installed one, click on pre-installed ringtones, tap on Apply next to the one that you wish to set up, and choose OK in the pop-up. Then go back. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable the speaker. Lastly, click on Label. You can label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and then tap on OK to save your label. Now, to add your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. In order to turn it back on, click on the same, now gray one. You can also edit your alarm by clicking on it, choosing additional settings, and making your changes. Save them by tapping on the check mark again. To get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. If you wish to manage more alarm options, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings, and adjust all of them however you wish to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!